How to search a literature is an important step. There is a wealth of information on the internet, so the first and most important step would be to figure out what type of literature you need according to your research area of interest. There are many databases and platforms available for collecting information. Therefore, which database to search is crucial so that you don't miss out anything that is important. Google Scholar broadly search for scholarly literature, which means written by experts in the field. You can search a wide variety in sources like articles, theses, and even reports, books, etc. and much more. PubMed is a free search engine that comprises mainly Medline database, which includes abstracts on life sciences and biomedical topics. Peer-reviewed means articles that are reviewed by a group of experts. For systematic reviews and meta-analysis, you could search Cochrane and Campbell. Other databases could be Popline, OVID, Web of Science, ScienceDirect. So depending on your research aims, you could accordingly look for databases to search for your project. Which terms constitute your research question is your best starting point. So you could choose free text or keywords, or you could choose thesaurus terms as medical subject headings or MASH terms, or you could use a combination of both. So for example, if your research question is role of intermittent fasting in managing diabetes and high blood pressure, then diabetes is your keyword, another keyword is fasting and high blood pressure. You must also note that search input varies between different databases. So for example, if you're searching PubMed database, then your free text or keyword could be fasting, or another keyword could be diabetes. And if the root keyword has many variations or spellings or wildcard term, then truncations can be used to see different options. By using an asterisk, you can use a root word, diabetes, that will search lots of options like diabetes, diabetologist, diabetics, and so on. If you're using thesaurus terms as medical subject headings or MASH terms, then identify within the hierarchy, which is grading or order or pyramid. You could also use both keywords and thesaurus terms. Boolean operators are the words and, or, not. For example, if you want to narrow down your search, then you combine the individual terms using and, not. For example, use of and will return literature with both diabetes and hypertension in its text. Use of not will return words with diabetes but will exclude hypertension. To broaden the search, use or between the individual terms. The use of or will return with at least one or both terms in its text. Advanced search limits are simple to set up and allows more precise searching of the literature. For example, you could set time period limits, the year in which the paper was published. Advanced search limits can include or exclude papers published in other languages, author, or literature type. It is equally important to save your search, save the papers identified, scan the titles for additional related terms. Save the refined research strategy for future use. Searching the literature is an important skill. You must not miss important material, and your research term should be reproducible by others. Thank you. Like and subscribe to Research Ramp if you want to take your research skills to the next level.